I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about method to find particular integral of p of dy equal q of x when q of x equal b into x power k. Now consider the equation p of dy equal q of x and q of x equal b into x power k. Here b is the constant, k is non-negative integer. P of d is the polynomial operator of degree n. So it can be written as a n d power n plus a n minus 1 d power n minus 1 plus dash plus a1 into d plus a naught into y equal q of x, that is equal b x power k. The particular integral yp equal 1 by p of d. P of d is nothing but a n d power n plus a n minus 1 into d power n minus 1 plus dash plus a1 into d plus a naught into b into x power k. This is the particular integral. ఇక్కడ మనకు కొన్ని కేసెస్ అరైజ్ అవుతాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కేస్? కేస్ 1, a నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0. a నాట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0. a నాట్ అనేది 0 కాదనుకుందాం. అప్పుడు పర్టికులర్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ yp ఈక్వల్ 1 బై a నాట్ ప్లస్ a1 ఇంటూ d ప్లస్ a2 ఇంటూ d స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ డాష్ an d పవర్ n bx పవర్ k. a నాట్ అవుట్ సైడ్, k నాట్ కామన్ తీయండి డినామినేటర్లో. 1 by a naught of 1 plus a1 d by a naught plus a2 d square by a naught plus dash last term an d power n by a naught into bx power k. So it is equal 1 by a naught. The denominator term can be written as 1 plus a1 into d by a naught, a2 into d square by a naught plus dash an d power n by a naught whole to the power of minus 1 of bx power k. By using this formula, that is 1 plus x whole power minus 1 equal 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube dash plus dash. Using this formula, this can be written 1 by a naught plus 1 minus, what is the x value? a1 d by a naught plus a2 d square by a naught plus dash last term an d power n by a naught plus d square, that is a1 d by a naught dash last term an d power n by a naught whole square minus dash of b into x power k. Simplify, we get the particular integral. Now case 2, if a naught equal to 0 and a1 is not equal to 0, how to define particular integral? yp equal 1 by a naught plus a1 into d plus a2 into d square plus dash an d power n of bx power k, b into x power k. But a naught equals 0, so this can be written as a1 d plus a2 d square dash last term an d power n of bx power k. Here a1d outside 1 by a1d outside, remaining terms 1 plus a2d square by a1d, a3d cube by a1d plus log dash an d power n by a1d b x power k. This can be written as 1 by a1 of d of 1 plus bracket of a2d square by a1 of d plus a3d cube by a1 of d plus dash last term an d power n by a1 of d whole power minus 1 of b x power k. By using the binomial theorem and solve them, we get the particular integral. Now third case, a naught equal to 0, a1 equal to 0 up to ar minus 1 equal to 0, but ar is not equal to 0. Then particular integral yp can be written as 1 by ar d power r of 1 plus ar plus 1 d power r plus 1 by ar d power r plus dash last term an d power n by ar d power r whole to the power of minus 1 b into x power k. By using binomial theorem, we get the particular integral. మనం 1 plus x whole power minus 1 అనే విస్తరణను ఉపయోగించి మనం దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసినట్లయితే we get the particular integral. Solve questions. First one, solve d cube minus d square minus 6d into y equal to x square plus 1. So first, the given differential equation is d cube minus d square minus 6d into y equal to x square plus 1. This is equation 1. The auxiliary equation of equation 1 is, the auxiliary equation of 1 is m cube minus m square minus 6m equal to 0. M outside, m of m square minus 6 minus m minus 6 equal to 0. So what are the factors? M of m square minus m minus 6 can be written as m minus 2 into m plus 2 m minus 3 equal to 0, plus 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. So it can be written as m of m plus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. So m equal to 0, m plus 2 equal to 0, m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 0, minus 2, comma 3. These are the three roots. Therefore m equal to minus 2, 0, 3. What is the complementary function? We know that three distinct roots. We know that y is equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 e power 0x plus c3 e power 3x. This is the complementary function. Now particular integral yp equal to 1 by d cube minus d square minus 6d of x square plus 1. We know that here what is the least power of d term? 6d. So the term outside, ఏదైతే d యొక్క పవర్ లీస్ట్ ఉంటుందో ఆ టర్మ్ని మనం అవుట్ సైడ్ తీయాలి, కామన్ తీయాలి. అప్పుడు minus 6d outside, d cube by minus 6d, d square by minus d square by minus 6d, minus of 6d by minus 6d into x square plus 1. So it can be written as 1 by minus 6d. Minus 6d by minus 6d plus 1 plus here d square by 6d and plus of d by 6 here d cube by minus 6d, that is d square by 6 of x square plus 1. Now minus 1 by 6d of one plus d by 6, 1 plus d by 6 minus d square by 6 of into x square plus 1. So it is equal to minus 1 by 6d. This denominator term into the numerator, shift into the numerator, we get power minus 1. So ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న టర్మ్ న్యూమరేటర్ కన్వర్ట్ అయినప్పుడు పవర్ మైనస్ 1 వస్తుంది. 1 ప్లస్ d by 6 minus d square by 6 whole power minus 1 of x square plus 1. So ఇక్కడ minus 1 by 6d. 1 plus x, we know the formula. 1 plus x power minus 1 equal 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube dash. By using the formula, above formula, 1 minus d by 6 minus d square by 6 plus d by 6 minus d square by 6 whole square minus dash of x square plus 1. Here we take only the d square, one constant term, d term and d square term. More than d square term, if we take, that must be equal to 0, because the highest power of x is 2, that is x square. The second derivative of x square is constant, the third derivative must be 0. ఇక్కడ x square అనే టర్మ్ ఉంది, అంటే x square యొక్క టర్మ్ అన్నప్పుడు దీని యొక్క రెండవ అవకలనం మాత్రమే, సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ మాత్రమే కాన్స్టాంట్ అవుతుంది. థర్డ్ డెరివేటివ్ మస్ట్ బి 0, ఖచ్చితంగా థర్డ్ డెరివేటివ్ 0 అవుతుంది. సో కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ వి టేక్ d square up to d square టర్మ్స్ ఓన్లీ. minus 1 by 6d of 1 minus d by 6 minus of minus plus d square by 6. Here d by a minus b whole square, a square d square by 36 plus b square, b is nothing but d square by 6 whole square, d power 4 by 36. No need the term, because only second derivative is constant, third derivative must be 0. So third term 2ab, 2 into d by 6 into d square by 6 minus 2d cube by 36, it is also 0. So no need that term. So x square plus 1 is equal minus 1 by 6d of 1 minus d by 6. Here d square by 6 plus d square by 36. Here 6 by 36, 1 by 36. Both are the like fractions. 6 plus 7, 1, 7. 7d square. 7d square by 36 of x square plus 1. Now minus 1 by 6d equal to 1 into x square plus 1, x square plus 1 minus derivative of x square plus 1, 1 by 6 of derivative of x square plus 1, 2x plus 7 by 36 of second derivative of x square plus 1, first derivative 2x, second derivative 2 just 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1 by 6d of x square plus 1 minus 2x by 6, that is x by 3, 7 by 36 into 2, 7 by 18, 7 by 18. Now minus 1 by 6d of x square plus 1 minus x by 3 plus 7 by 18 plus 7 by 18. What is the LCM? 18. 18 is the LCM. So, outside first of all, 1 by 18 outside, 1 by 6 into 18 into D of 18 LCM, 18x square plus 18 minus 3 6 6x 7, 18 1 18, 7. So, minus 1 by 18 6 108, 108 D of 18x square minus 6x, 18 plus 7, 25. So, is equal minus 108. Here 1 by d is nothing but integration. First integration, 1 by d is nothing but integration. Integral of x square, x cube by 3 minus 6 into integration of x, x square by 2, integration of 25, 25x is equal to minus 1 by 108, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja, 6x cube minus 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3x square plus 25x. This is the particular integral. Therefore, the general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. What is the yc value? C1 e power minus 2x plus C2 e power 0x plus C3 e power e power 3x, e power 3x plus what is the yp value? Minus 108, 108 of 6x cube minus 3x square plus 25x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now, the second problem. Solve d cube y by dx cube plus 3 d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx equal x square. So, this equation can be written as d cube plus 3d square plus 2d into y equal to x square. This is equation number 1. Here d by dx equal to d, d by dx equal to d, differential operator. So, the auxiliary equation is, the auxiliary equation of 1 is m cube plus 3m square plus 2m equal to 0. It can be written as m outside, m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So, it can, this equation can be written as m of, what are the factors? M square plus 3m plus 2, adding we get 3, product 2. So, what are the numbers? 1 and 2. So, m plus 1 and m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, roots m equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2. The complementary function of the equation 1 is y c equal c1 e power 0x plus c2 e power minus x plus c3 e power minus 2x. Now, particular integral yp defined as 1 by d cube plus 3d square plus 2d of x square. Here, what is the least power of d? 2d term. So, outside 1 by 2d outside, 1 plus 3d square by 2d plus d cube by 2d into x square. Here 1 by 2d of outside, 1 plus 3d square by 2d, that is 3d by 2 plus d cube by 2d, d square by 2 into x square equal to 1 by 2d of 1 plus 3d by 2 plus d square by 2, 3d by 2 plus d square by 2 power minus 1 of x square. So, this can be written as 1 by 2d of Here we know that 1 plus x whole power minus 1. We know the formula. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. 1 minus x 3d by 2 plus d by 2 plus x square, that is 3d by 2 plus d by 2 whole square minus dash of x square. Here ఇక్కడ మనం ఓన్లీ d స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ వరకే తీసుకోవాలి, బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే ది సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టాంట్, ద థర్డ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మస్ట్ బి 0. ఖచ్చితంగా 0 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనకు ఓన్లీ d స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ వరకే తీసుకోండి. 1 by 2d of 1 minus 3d by 2 minus d square, sorry, d square by 2, a plus b whole square formula, a square 3d by 2 whole square 9d square by 4, this is a, this is b, plus b square, d square whole square d power 4, it will be 0, so no need, plus 2d cube, d cube also 0 of x square. 1 by 2d of 1 minus 3d by 2, here minus d square by 2, here 9 plus 9d square by 4. What is the LCM? 4 minus 2d square plus 9d square plus 7d square. 7d square by 4 of x square. We know that differentiation of x square 2x, double derivative of x square is 2, triple derivative must be 0, ఖచ్చితంగా 0 అవుతుంది. So 1 by 2d of 1 into x square 3 by 2, derivative of 2x square 2x, 7 into second derivative of x square 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2d of x square minus, here 2 cancel, 3 into x 3x, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. This is the next equal to 1 by 2d of x square minus 3x plus 7 by 2, x square minus 3x plus 7 by 2, 7 by 2. So we know that d is the differential operator, 1 by d is the integral operator. 1 by d means integration of x square, x cube by 3, 3 of x integration x square by 2, 7 by 2 of integration 7 by 2 x. What is the LCM? 6, 1 by 6 into 2 12, 6 is the LCM, 3 cancel we get 2, 2x cube, 6 to 3 times pothund, 3 3 is a 9, 9x square, here also 3 times, 3 7 is 21x. This is the yp value. The general solution of 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc value c1 e power 0x e power minus x e power minus 2x, c2 e power minus x, c3 e power minus 2x. What is the yp value? 1 by 12 of 2x cube minus 9x square plus 21x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now third one, solve y double dash plus y dash plus y equal to x square. The equation, given differential equation can be written as, given differential equation is d square plus d plus 1 into y equal to x square. So this is equation number 1. Here d equal to d by dx. The auxiliary equation is m square plus m plus 1 equal 0. It is a quadratic equation in m. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. What are the roots? Roots equal to m equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square 1 square 1 4 a 1 c 1 by 2a 2 into 1. So is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 is nothing but root 3I by 2, that it is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2I. This is alpha, this is beta. We know that alpha plus or minus I beta are the roots. What is the complementary function? Yc equal to e power alpha x minus x by 2 c1 cos beta x, c1 cos of root 3 by 2 x plus psi 2 sin beta x, sin of root 3 by 2 x. This is the Yc value. Now Yp equal to 1 by d square plus d plus 1 of x square. So here what is the least power of d square? D, that is constant, that is 1. So it can be written as 1 by 1 plus d plus d square here into x square equal to, this can be written as 1 plus d plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 of x square. 1 plus d plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 of x square. By using the formula 1 plus x whole power minus 1, that is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube dash. ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ. సో ఓన్లీ టేక్ d square terms up to d square terms. More than d square terms it will be 0. అది ఖచ్చితంగా 0 అవుతుంది. Because x square, the second derivative of x square constant, the third derivative of x square must be 0. So that 1 minus, what is the d? X d plus d square plus x square d plus d square whole square plus dash of x square. 1 minus d minus d square plus, this is a plus b whole square, a square d square plus b square is nothing but d power 4, it will be 0. 2d cube, it will be also 0 of x cube, x square, sorry, plus d square minus d square will be cancelled. 1 minus d of x square equal 1 into x square x, second derivative of x square 2. Therefore, the general solution of equation 1 is y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc, what is the yc? E power minus x by 2 c1 cos of root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin of root 3 by 2x plus yp value x square minus 2. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.